Good evening, I'm David Acharya with Acharya Capital Partners, and I'm here at the 2022 ACG New York Healthcare Conference, not just the best healthcare conference in New York City, but probably the best healthcare conference across the country. And here I am with one of our distinguished attendees, Xiping. Xiping, why don't you please give us a little bit of background about yourself?
Thank you. My name is Xiping Wu. I am one of the founders for Heilo Genomics. Heilo Genomics is a blood-based cancer early detection company. And so we are on the forefront of high technology and helping people to help people to get cancer early detection and to help people health and far away from the cancer.
Great. Well, we have 400 healthcare deal makers, some of them from the best investing firms across the country.
Yes.
At this event, what do you want to get out of this?
This is my first time to attend this ACG conference, especially the healthcare conference. I think this is a great opportunity for us to learn and to networking and to get attention from what we like to get. I learned a lot from this conference, and I also would like the people, especially capitals, to pay attention to our company, which is we have the best technology, I believe. I hope some capitals and pay attention to us and maybe help us in our acquisition, or we are going to go to public, hopefully.
Well, Xiping, thank you so much for your thoughts. Welcome to this great event. I hope you get everything you want to get out of this, and I'm sure I'll see you at the bourbon tasting later on.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.